In this video, I'll show you how to download Euro Truck Simulator 2. If you're new to the channel, please go down below and consider subscribing. And once you've done that, please go down below and consider leaving a like as well. And let's get right into this guide. Now, it is important to note that Euro Truck Simulator 2 is a paid game. I will be showing you how you can go and get a free demo, which you can go and temporarily try the game for. But if to go and get access to the full version of the game, you do have to spend money. If you see any free guides out there, they're going to be lies and most likely a virus or illegal. So just make sure you go and properly purchase it, which will show you exactly to do in this guide. So the first thing you need to do is go and open up your browser, and what we need to do is go and get something called Steam. Now, Steam is basically a game launcher and a game marketplace where we can go and get Euro Truck Simulator from. It's quite likely you already have it, but if you don't, then come to steampower.com, and all you need to do is come to the top right and go and create an account. I've already got one, and then once you've gone and created your free account, all you need to do is go and press install Steam and go and install the Steam launcher. It's a super easy process. Then once you've gone and installed the Steam launcher, you're going to go and have Steam just here, as you can see, and then all you need to do is press on store on the Steam desktop app, just like so, and you need to go and press on search. And of course, what you need to do is go and search for Euro Truck. So go and type Euro Truck in, just like so, and as you can see, it's one right at the top, Euro Truck Simulator 2. So go and tap on it just like so, and it'll take a minute to load. And then all we need to do is go and scroll down, and we can go and get the demo if you like, if you want to go and test it out before you purchase it. So you can go and do that if you like, but you can also go and purchase it as well. So of course, if you haven't played it before, then you could try the demo, but in this case, I'll just show you how to go and buy it straight out. So all you need to do is go and press add to cart, and then it's going to go and be added to your cart. As you can see, it takes you straight to your shopping cart. And you need to go and tap on purchase for myself, just like so. And the next thing you'll need to do is go and select a payment method. I've already got a MasterCard added to my account, but you can go and use PayPal, Visa, MasterCard, any method you'd like. And then you just need to go and press on continue. And as you can see, you now need to just go and confirm your purchase. As you can see, you can go and see the total amount, which is £16. Make sure you go and agree to the terms, and then we can go and purchase. And then you may need to go and verify your card, and then it's going to go and say thank you for your purchase. And then after you purchased it, it should automatically start downloading. As you can see in the bottom in the middle of Steam, it says downloading. I tap here, and as you can see, it's updating and downloading. And then when you go and click on your library and go to the home, it's going to appear in this list here. For some reason, it's not appeared yet, but it will at some point. So once Euro Truck is finished downloading, it's now no longer going to be on the downloads page. So all you want to do is go to your library, and it should appear in this list here. For me, as I said earlier, for some reason it's not appearing here. So if it isn't appearing for you, go and tap on the store. And then once you're on the store, all you need to do is go and search for Euro Truck Simulator, just like so, and go and tap on it. And then it's going to go and take you back to the page. Here we are. And all you need to do is scroll down, and then you can go and press on play now, just here, as you can see. And then it's going to go and open it up, and then we can go and get playing. As you can see, it's now loading. And once Euro Truck is loaded, you'll need to go and create a profile. So you can go and choose a profile picture. I prefer truck design and a company logo. And then here we are in the game. And as you can see, you use W, A, S, and D to go and control the game. And then you can go and get trucking. If you found this video useful, please go down below and consider leaving a like. Subscribe for more. Peace.